This is another question. In this question we have a graph between voltage and the current, and these are the values of the different currents, and these are the values of the different potential difference across the two ends of the cell. Okay, what you have to find out? You have to find out from this graph EMF of cell, maximum current from the cell, and internal resistance of the cell. Okay, so you all know very well, when no current drawn from the cell, okay, when no current drawn from the cell, that means I is equal to 0, then potential difference across two ends of the cell will be equal to EMF of the cell. So look at the graph. Here I is equal to 0, but at I is equal to 0, what you are finding? You are finding the maximum value of EMF. This is 1.2 and this is 1.6. So in between this is 1.4. So what will be the maximum value of the potential difference when I is equal to 0? 1.4. So what is the EMF of the cell? 1.4 volt. Now look at here. What is the maximum current? The maximum current drawn from the cell is 0.28 ampere. So second part, maximum current drawn from the cell will be equal to when terminal potential difference is 0. When terminal potential difference, see at this point V is equal to 0. टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जब 0 होगा, यानी पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप जब 0 होगा, तो करंट क्या होगी? मैक्सिमम होगी. तो इन दैट केस मैक्सिमम करंट व्हेन टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू 0. सो वैल्यू ऑफ I max इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 0.28 एम्पियर. And the third part, you have to find out the internal resistance of the cell. So internal resistance R will be the ratio of the EMF divided by what? Total maximum current, and this is the value 1.4 and this is the value 0.28. When you will solve this, you will be getting the answer 5 ohm. Okay, so in this way you can solve these type of graphical questions.